In this video, I'm going to share a super easy recipe for a natural solution that boosts the growth of tomatoes, cucumbers, and other plants in your garden. Not only does this remedy help your veggies thrive, but it also shields your flowers from pesky diseases. And guess what? You only need 2 common ingredients to make it work wonders. The first ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in cooking, but it also has powerful medicinal properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal effects. When used on plants, turmeric can help protect them from a range of diseases, including fungal infections like late blight on tomatoes and poronospirosis on cucumbers. By incorporating turmeric into the remedy, we harness its natural protective properties to shield our garden crops from harm. Ingredient 2 is milk. Milk is another surprising ingredient in this remedy. Milk contains various nutrients beneficial to plants, including calcium and proteins. When applied to plant leaves, milk forms a thin film that can help deter pests and diseases. It acts as an adhesive, ensuring that the remedy stays on the plant's surface and doesn't wash away easily. This film also facilitates the penetration of beneficial substances into the plant's tissues, enhancing its overall health and resilience against diseases. The process of making the remedy is straightforward. We dissolve 2 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 litre of hot water and then add 100 millilitres of milk. It's important to mix the solution thoroughly to ensure even distribution of the ingredients. After mixing, we allow the solution to cool completely. This cooling period allows the turmeric and milk to infuse further into the water, maximizing their effectiveness. Straining the solution before application helps prevent clogging of the sprayers, ensuring smooth and uniform coverage of the plants. Once the remedy is prepared, we can use it to spray our plants. This includes tomatoes, cucumbers, and various garden flowers such as roses, hydrangeas, and geraniums. The spray forms a protective barrier on the leaves, shielding them from diseases and pests. Regular application of the remedy can help maintain the health and vigor of our plants, leading to a better yield and more robust growth. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications. Your support is greatly appreciated.